Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Sway. Today I'm going to make papaya halwa. This papaya I had ripe one, but was not sweet at all, and it was a bit hard also. So I ground the same in the mixer along with a cup of sugar. There was 2.5 cup of pulp, so I have taken 1 cup sugar. If you want less sugar, you can reduce the quantity of sugar. So I'm going to cook this in the gas. We need 2 tablespoons of corn flour also to thicken the paste. The corn flour I have added with water, and that we will add to the pulp. Now this will splash around, so we have to cover and cook it. I've kept a plate greased. In this you can spread the dry fruits, and when it is done you can pour it on top of that dry fruit and cut it into desired shape. You can make this with milk also. It will take some time. Keep on stirring. Cook in medium heat, and in between keep on stirring. I will add 2 teaspoons of ghee in it. Partially cover like this. After 15 minutes it has become like this. I am cooking this in medium flame. It has stopped splashing, so we can cook it open. In the meantime, I have greased the plate and put some chiroli and tutti frutti in it. After half an hour, see, it has started leaving the sides of the kadai. We'll add slightly ghee in it again. Little bit of cardamom powder. If you have, you can add the food color also. Orange color you can add, so that you will get a bright color to the halwa. I don't have the color, food color, so it has started leaving the sides of the kadai. Now we will transfer this into the greased plate. I have increased the heat. Now see, it has started leaving the sides of the kadai. At this stage, we will transfer this into the plate. Switch off the gas. Level it properly. take a grease spoon in ghee and level it properly. Allow this to cool, then keep it in the fridge for some time, then cut it into desired shape. So our papaya halwa is ready. It's cooled down now. We'll start cutting it. If it doesn't come out properly, to cut it, the another option is grease your palm with little ghee. Take out some halwa, make balls out of it and roll it on get desiccated coconut. And serve it like this. Isn't it interesting? I have removed the pieces and kept here. It's a bit difficult to remove the pieces because it's a bit sticky. In that case, you can cook it for some more time. 5 more minutes you can cook it, and then pour it in the plate. Or as it is, you can just take with spoon and eat it. There's no problem. It's not necessary that you should make pieces out of it. So our papaya halwa is ready here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye.